Using an itar, yes, it's something which we all have done. But sometimes we say that we want some, branded perfumes and this and that. We have that in front of you. Maktabatul Madina's latest brand and latest product is Misky. As you can see it in front of you. And today I have two beautiful products in front of me. See, using fragrance is the sunnah of the beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. Apply it with the intention of reviving the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. Basically, a spray can help you fulfill the sunnah of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. But this is a bit of a lighter tone and this is white oud. Price, wait, that I'll tell you towards the end. And this is a bit for those people who want a bit of a harder smell and a bit long lasting. The lasting of this is anywhere between 4 to 6 hours. If you are indoors and stuff, so say about 8 to 10 hours as well, depending on your walk of life. This is Imperial, a bit hard and amazing. Bless the team who has made this. And if you give this as a box to somebody, this is a gift for you. How would the feeling be? You can take this feeling, inshallah, buy it for yourself, gift it to a friend, 2,500 rupees. That's it. Only 2,500 rupees and you have such a beautiful package in front of you. Make the intention of sunnah. Make the intention of smelling good when you meet others. Inshallah, the more good intentions you make, the more thawab you will attain. Visit the website of Maktabatul Madina and you can call on the numbers which are available on your screen.